Okay, now to change the time, first display it by pressing the button right here. Now to change the time, press and hold down the button for 2 seconds. Now press again to change the hour. Now to change the minutes, while the hour is flashing, press and hold down the button for 2 seconds. Now to change the seconds, press the button. And once you're done, press this button right here for 2 seconds. Now to change the date, first display the date by pressing this button once, press it again. Now as you can see right here, here's the date. Press and hold the button down for 2 seconds. Press again to change the month. While it's flashing, press and hold down for 2 seconds to change the days. Now press again to change the days. Keep pressing until you get the desired day. Now press this button right here for 2 seconds to set it. And there you go. That is how to change the time and date on the Bracelet Watch Spy Camera. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.